10 vehicles so exceptionally priced that even those with substantial fortunes deliberate before committing. At number 10, the Mansory Rolls-Royce Ghost. A standard Rolls-Royce Ghost already commands a price exceeding $400,000. Maserati's iteration incurs a considerably greater sum, with every additional investment overtly apparent upon inspection. The 6.75-liter V12 engine has been re-engineered to deliver 720 horsepower and 1,020 newton-meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.4 seconds, with a maximum velocity of 250 kilometers per hour. However, it is not solely the performance that dictates this vehicle's exorbitant cost. It is everything else. The exterior boasts Mansory's complete carbon fiber overhaul. Each panel has been re-examined, meticulously hand-finished, and fitted with a level of precision that adds months to the manufacturing timeline and tens of thousands of dollars to the final bill. A wide-body conversion, custom-forged wheels, with each element individually priced and entirely optional, all selected by a discerning client who never once inquired about a discount. The interior features bespoke leather color schemes that are not available in any standard Rolls-Royce catalog. Hand-applied carbon fiber trim adorns the surfaces. The Starlight headliner, comprising 1,340 individual fiber optic lights, already a hallmark of luxury in the standard vehicle, has been further enhanced by Mansory's interior design specialists. A Mansory Ghost is not a vehicle one purchases off a lot. It is a bespoke commission, meticulously specified and constructed, with the final price reflecting every single hour invested in its creation. This is the most accessible vehicle on this compilation, yet its cost surpasses what most individuals earn in a decade. Moving to number 9, the Mansory Rolls-Royce Spectre. The standard Rolls-Royce Spectre commences at approximately $450,000. Mansory's interpretation elevates this price substantially, as only 2 Spectre conversion kits were ever distributed globally. With only 2 in existence, such extreme scarcity inherently inflates its value. It produces 585 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque, offering a range of 465 kilometers, and achieves 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds. These performance metrics, however, are secondary to the fact that this electric Rolls-Royce has been masterfully transformed by a tuning house that places no value on discounting exclusivity. The Spectre's coupe profile is enhanced with a carbon fiber front splitter, a carbon fiber rear diffuser, and bespoke 24-inch forged wheels. Each component is meticulously fabricated specifically for this vehicle, not sourced from existing stock. Widened fender arches contribute to its imposing presence and proportionally to its elevated cost. Inside, one finds custom leather combinations that are not offered through Rolls-Royce's own configurator. The ambient lighting has been specifically designed for this particular cabin. Every material enhancement is individually priced, with each selection reflecting a client who was never constrained by a budget. With merely 2 units in existence, the Mansory Spectre is not merely expensive. It is, by its very definition, nearly unattainable, and its price accurately reflects this exclusivity. At number 8, we have the Mansory Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge. A standard Cullinan Black Badge already exceeds $400,000 from the manufacturer. The Mansory version is priced at €89,200, which equates to approximately $880,000, positioning it as one of the most costly SUVs available, whether modified or in its original form. The twin-turbocharged 6.75-liter V12 engine, producing 600 horsepower and 950 newton-meters of torque, is housed within a body that has undergone almost complete reconstruction. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.0 seconds, with a top speed of 280 kilometers per hour. However, purchasers are not investing €89,200 solely for these performance figures. They are acquiring extensive carbon fiber application across every exterior surface. Rolls-Royce's own Black Badge specifications remain untouched, while a widened body kit necessitated new tooling. Custom wheels have been designed exclusively for this particular build, contributing to an exterior presence that carries a price tag comparable to a dwelling in many American urban centers. The rear cabin retains Rolls-Royce's complete black badge specification, already considered among the most opulent interiors in the automotive realm, further elevated by Mansory's bespoke program. Deep color palettes, contrasting stitching, and carbon fiber accents that feel intentionally placed rather than merely applied, because indeed every element was individually chosen. At €89,200, this is not merely a modified Rolls-Royce. It is one of the most expensive SUVs in existence. Ranking at number 7 is the Mansory Mercedes-AMG G63 Grand Entrée. A standard Mercedes-AMG G63 typically costs around $180,000. The Mansory Grande Entrée Edition, however, commands roughly 4 times that amount, and every incremental dollar is visibly manifested across its bodywork. The 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine has been re-engineered to produce 820 horsepower and 1,150 newton-meters of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is achieved in 4.0 seconds, with a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. The performance enhancement alone accounts for a significant portion of the price escalation. Engine internals, turbochargers, and software have all been meticulously reworked by hand. The body incorporates Mansory's comprehensive carbon fiber treatment. Every conceivable panel has been replaced, with the cost reflecting custom tooling and hand-finished carbon work rather than mass production. Widened wheel arches and a redesigned front fascia are among the enhancements. Each component is priced as an individual luxury item, not as part of a bundled package. Inside, 2-tone leather combinations that Mercedes-Benz would never offer from the factory are featured. Carbon fiber inlays adorn every panel, illuminated door sills add a touch of sophistication, and custom stitching, which can take days to complete per panel, is a testament to the labor cost reflected directly in the final invoice. At nearly $750,000, the Grand Entrée stands as proof that even an ostensibly affordable luxury SUV can transform into one of the most expensive vehicles on the road once Mansory has applied its expertise. At number 6, we find the Mansory Ferrari Purosangue. A standard Ferrari Purosangue begins at $430,000. The Mansory iteration pushes that figure towards $600,000, and the V12 engine beneath justifies every additional cent. The 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 has been re-engineered to deliver 755 horsepower and 730 newton-meters of torque. As the sole naturally aspirated V12 SUV in production, this unique characteristic alone commands a premium, as Ferrari themselves have confirmed that such engines will not be produced indefinitely. Mansory's carbon fiber body kit, encompassing wider arches, a redesigned front splitter, and a rear diffuser, represents hundreds of hours of hand-finished carbon craftsmanship. Each surface is costed individually, rather than offered as a fixed-price package. Inside, every surface has been re-evaluated and enhanced with materials and stitching that elevate the interior cost well beyond what Ferrari's own customization program charges for comparable work. At approximately $600,000, the Purosangue serves as a testament that even Ferrari's most exclusive SUV can become significantly more expensive once Mansory's invoice is added to the factory price. Our 5th entry is the Mansory BMW M5P850. A standard BMW M5 typically costs around $115,000. The Mansory P850, however, reaches nearly 10 times that amount once all upgrades are incorporated. This demonstrates that even a mainstream luxury brand can undergo a 6-figure transformation in Mansory's hands. The 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 has been re-engineered to produce 850 horsepower and 1,150 newton-meters of torque. Its top speed is 325 kilometers per hour. The engine modifications alone, including internal components, turbochargers, and cooling software, account for a substantial portion of the price increase. The wide-body kit, custom wheels, and carbon fiber detailing are each priced as individual options rather than being included as standard, meaning a fully specified P850 can easily surpass $1 million once every available upgrade is selected. The interior features custom leather combinations that BMW's own M division does not offer. These are fitted by hand at a cost that reflects genuine bespoke craftsmanship rather than factory trim levels. The P850 exemplifies that Mansory's pricing has very little to do with the emblem on the hood and everything to do with the extent to which a client is willing to invest. At number 4, we have the Mansory Carbonado GTS. A standard Lamborghini Aventador is priced at around $400,000. The Mansory Carbonado GTS, however, exceeds $1 million. Its name provides the explanation. Carbonado refers to the rarest and hardest diamond known to exist. Mansory chose this name because this vehicle is entirely clad in carbon fiber, not merely accented or trimmed with it, but constructed from it. Every exterior panel has been replaced with a material that is significantly more expensive to manufacture, shape, and hand finish than steel or aluminum. The 6.5-liter V12 engine delivers 780 Newton-meters of torque and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds, with a top speed of 355 kilometers per hour. However, the performance enhancements constitute a smaller portion of the total cost than the bodywork itself. The wide body kit, the aerodynamic rear wing, and the custom wheels have all been engineered specifically for this vehicle and are not shared with any other Mansory build. At over $1 million, the Carbonado GTS is one of the most transparent examples on this list of how Mansory's pricing operates. The more carbon fiber utilized, the greater the invoice becomes. Our third entry is the Mansory Ferrari S F90XX Spider. A standard Ferrari SF90 Spider costs approximately $550,000. The Mansory F9XX Spider, however, is considerably more expensive, with the price reflecting one of the most extensive transformations Mansory has ever applied to a hybrid hypercar. The hybrid powertrain has been boosted to 1,100 horsepower and 980 Newton-meters of torque, achieving 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.4 seconds, with a top speed of 355 kilometers per hour. Re-engineering a hybrid system to this degree necessitates specialized expertise that few tuning houses globally possess. This level of proficiency is directly reflected in the price. Every body panel that could be replaced has been substituted with carbon fiber, generating downforce figures that the standard vehicle was never engineered to achieve. None of these components are from shared tooling. Each panel is specific to this particular build. Inside, custom leather, carbon fiber accents, and Alcantara surfaces are featured. Each material enhancement is priced as an individual line item rather than being bundled into a single package. The F9XX Spider ranks among Mansory's most costly creations, precisely because hybrid performance engineering is not inexpensive, and Mansory has never been in the business of compromising quality to reduce costs for clients. At number 2, we present the Mercedes-AMG G Falcon by Carlex Design. 2 million euros. That is the price of the G Falcon. It was not built by Mansory but by Carlex Design, a studio whose work occupies a similar rarefied niche and whose pricing philosophy is identical. There is no catalog, no fixed options list, simply a client, a brief, and an invoice with no predetermined financial ceiling. A standard Mercedes G-Class costs around $140,000. The G Falcon, however, is approximately 14 times that amount, and every euro is visibly accounted for in the bodywork. The 4-liter V8 engines are not the primary reason for the €2 million price tag. Rather, it is for a complete exterior reconstruction. Every panel has been replaced, and every surface has been polished through a multi-layer hand-finishing process that takes weeks rather than hours. It also includes an interior constructed entirely from materials sourced specifically for this singular commission, and a level of exclusivity where only a handful of examples will ever exist. At €2 million, the G Falcon stands as one of the most expensive SUVs ever constructed by anyone, for anyone, anywhere in the world. And finally, at number 1, the Mansory Bugatti Veyron Sapphire Edition. There was never any other contender for the top position. A standard Bugatti Veyron, even on the pre-owned market today, commands upwards of $2 million. The Mansory Sapphire Edition escalates that figure substantially higher. into territory where the vehicle itself becomes one of the most expensive objects most people will ever witness in person. The W16 engine, with its 16 cylinders, 8-liter displacement, and 4 turbochargers, has been re-engineered to produce 1,190 horsepower and 1,310 newton-meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of 410 kilometers per hour. Engineering a road-legal vehicle to withstand such speeds requires materials and testing that cost more than most individuals' entire automotive budgets over a lifetime. The Sapphire Edition's exterior transformation represents Mansory's most expensive undertaking on a single vehicle to date. Carbon fiber has replaced every panel that could be substituted. The aerodynamic package alone, meticulously engineered to manage downforce at speeds exceeding 400 kilometers per hour, represents a cost level that few tuning houses globally could even contemplate. The interior features custom leather in deep sapphire-inspired hues, entirely hand-fitted alongside carbon fiber surfaces, finished to a standard that matches the vehicle's price point. This is the most expensive car on this list, the most extreme creation Mansory has ever produced, and proof that when Mansory takes an already record-breaking hypercar and removes all limitations, the price also knows no ceiling. Every vehicle on this compilation began as something extraordinary. Many then decided that extraordinary was not sufficiently expensive. More carbon fiber, increased horsepower, extended hours of hand-finished craftsmanship, and a price tag that escalates with every single decision. This is why even billionaires, presented with a Mansory invoice, pause before signing. Not because they are unable to afford it, but because they are contemplating whether they wish to allocate such substantial funds to something so extreme. If this list has illuminated precisely how expensive luxury can become, please subscribe as our next compilation delves even higher.